Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Folks, how you doing today? So another fine piece out of the restoration shop. This is a fresh safe we just finished. As always, we completely restored it. We kind of went with a little different theme for this. We went with this here may appear black, but it's really a very, very dark green, which we added some black to, because that is kind of the period colors, very, very dark green. Then we did this one really cool because we did it in gold trim, front and back. We bought our pinstriper in, we had it all striped. Clearly we sent everything out for chrome. It's about a 3-color combination on the pinstriping. It is a maroon, gold, and dark green are the 3 colors we used on the striping inside and out. The back is pinstriped. This safe is a little bit taller than our normal because this is a 33-inch tall safe, so you get to see the perspective by me. I can say this is not a safe somebody can pick up and run away with. This is probably about 600 pounds, 500 or 600 pounds, done very nicely. It's all been done correctly with all of the primers, finest car paints, clear coat, color sand, buff. Very, very nice safe. The combination has been completely gone through. Now, if you would like this safe as is, we'll be happy to sell it to you. But what I want to offer to you, I'm offering to you, is that you can personalize it. I could put Wells Fargo on it. I could put Hall's Safe Company on it and would do that for you. But I'm leaving this open for your name of your company or your family or whatever, or your bank. And I'm going to give you a line down here of the city and state and established and a nice name up here. Okay, we will do that to your choice. So you will send us in what you'd like to have done and we can get that on there for you. Or if you would like it just like this, you can have it. But I am pricing it with the artwork included. I'll show you inside of this thing. This is something that really came out absolutely special. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? See this one, so we two-toned the back. You got the dark green, you got the gold, you got the striping, and then we ran the gold all the way in here, which is stunning, as well as we ran the gold down onto the feet, striped the feet. It has a locking cash box here, which they would have put the money in. You got 2 drawers, as well as the bottom here. We took out the old carpet and actually upholstered the bottom with some appropriate fabric. Beautiful safe, fireproof safe. In beautiful shape. Everything works. The combination has gone through. I don't know what to say except that I would like to own this.
What year?
This is turn of the century safe. Probably anywhere from 1890 to 1910, 1885, 1910, something in that period. Typically all of the rounded safes are around the turn of the century. They went to the squared off safes. Actually did some earlier and later. But it's a turn of the century safe, very, very nicely done. And if you buy this, we'll just send it across the street to Orange County Crating. They'll put it crated up and send it right on out to your house if you like to do the artwork. Now I set this coin changer on here because I thought it looked cool, but as well as there's a 5/8 piece of glass here that we've put on the top, which you can take off if you choose, but we put that on there so that you can set stuff like this on it. So also we sell the coin changer, so if you would like it, it does not come with the safe, but if you would like it, you can purchase it as well. Anyway, fabulous safe. I'm going to put your artwork or take it as is. We're going to list it in the price with the artwork. However, if you don't want the artwork, we'll reduce the price. Okay, either way. So listen, thanks for watching our video. Somebody's going to get a beautiful safe. I'll tell you something. You put this safe in the house, people walk in. Safes are like guns, or safes are like $100 bills. You're just like, wow, that's a beautiful safe. Anyway, people just love them. So somebody's gonna get a beautiful safe. So thanks for watching.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.